Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can do multicolor print on Anycubic 3D printer. So the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to the Anycubic slicer, and from here select the right printer preset. You want to select your bed type, and then if this is your first time using it, most likely it's going to be only at one filament. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to add a cube onto my plate right here, and then to basically show you on how you can do this easily, I'm also going to apply a text onto my shape. Now that I have a merged object, which is going to be the text on our main shape, you'll then want to add a filament by clicking on the plus icon right here. So you can add how many colors you want to on your print. Now let's say that we just want to add something like 3 colors, which is going to be blue, red, and green. So if you want to change a specific part of your model, just make sure that you're inside the objects, right click on a specific part, and then you have the ability to change the filament of that specific part. Now let's change this into something like red, and we will be able to see that applied right here. But if you want to manually do this yourself, or if you want to manually apply colors, you want to click on your model and then choose the color painting option. Now with this one, you can just use something like the pen tool or the color tool circle tool right here. Edit out your pen size, and then let's say that we want to apply some color green onto the back of our model. So you can just do that easily by painting it manually onto your model right here. And from there, we now have a multicolor print on our Anycubic slicer or Anycubic printer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.